Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving headfirst into the glorious world of PC video editing. Want to make killer edits that would put Hollywood to shame, but without needing a Hollywood budget? Buckle up, because this is your one-stop shop, the ultimate free and paid software guide to finally conquer video editing. Hit that like button if you're ready to level up your editing game. We all know the feeling. You've filmed this amazing video, but it needs a little extra magic. Maybe it's those shaky cam moments needing a smooth fix, or adding killer special effects that make your viewers go, whoa. That's where video editing software comes in, and trust me, there's a perfect option out there for everyone, whether you're a budget-conscious beginner or a seasoned editing ninja. First up, let's talk free, because who doesn't love free, right? There are some fantastic options out there that won't break the bank. We're talking software like Hitfilm Express, super user-friendly for beginners, or DaVinci Resolve, packed with pro-level features for the more adventurous. Now, if you're feeling fancy and want to explore paid options, the world is your oyster. Adobe Premiere Pro is the industry standard, perfect for creating those slick, professional edits you see YouTubers rocking. For a more budget-friendly paid option, check out Wondershare Filmora. Tons of features at a fraction of the price. But here's the real secret. The best software isn't about the price tag, it's about finding the one that fits your editing style and workflow. Do you love a drag-and-drop interface, or are you a keyboard shortcut whiz? Think about what feels comfortable for you. No matter what software you choose, remember, practice makes perfect. There are tons of amazing tutorials online, and the best way to learn is by just diving in and playing around. Don't be afraid to experiment and get creative. Hey, even the pros make mistakes. That's all part of the learning process. So, are you ready to conquer PC video editing? If this video helped you out, smash that like button. Subscribe to the channel for more awesome video editing tips and tricks. And let me know in the comments below which software you're most excited to try. Until next time, keep on editing.